Want to use ChatGPT directly from your computer? The official ChatGPT desktop app gives you quick access to AI conversations without needing to keep a browser tab open. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download ChatGPT on your PC in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official ChatGPT website. Sign in to your account if you're prompted. Always download the desktop app from the official source to help keep your computer secure. Next, open your account menu or download section and look for the option to download the ChatGPT desktop app for Windows. Make sure you're selecting the version that's compatible with your operating system. Wait for the installer to finish downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this may only take a few moments. Don't close your browser until the download is complete. Open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install ChatGPT on your PC. Once the installation finishes, launch the application. Take a moment to allow any permissions requested during the installation. When ChatGPT opens, sign in using your existing account. After logging in, you'll have access to your conversations, projects, and available features. Use the same sign-in method you used when creating your account. Now you're ready to start chatting. Create a new conversation, explore the available tools, and use ChatGPT for writing, coding, research, learning, and much more. So you've successfully downloaded ChatGPT on your PC. And that's how to download ChatGPT on your PC. Installing the desktop app gives you quick access to your AI assistant while keeping your conversations and projects in one convenient place. Once it's installed, you'll be able to launch ChatGPT anytime with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.